Hi and welcome. If you're new to my channel, my name is Katie, and I'm currently in my second trimester, soon entering my third. In this video, I'll be unboxing and trying on maternity clothes from different brands like H&M and Boozt. This is not sponsored, I just want to show you some of the maternity clothing options that are available in Scandinavia. I also ordered some baby essentials, starting with these pram gloves. A must-have for keeping your hands warm and cozy while walking with a stroller in cold weather, as we have a lot of in Scandinavia. These attach directly to the handlebar, so you can quickly free your hands to tend to your baby without struggling with regular gloves. I look forward to try these out. Next up, I ordered two nursing pillows, one large and one small. But I've decided to return both because of a friend of mine kindly gifted me hers, which she no longer uses. But I didn't know in time to cancel my order, so I'll just show you the big one now and then I'll pack away for returning. In Denmark, we love recycling and reusing, so it's common to donate and buy items secondhand. My first try-on is these waistband extenders. Honestly, I'm not a fan. They are really noticeable, even under a thick t-shirt, so I'll be returning them, as you can see. I haven't bought a lot of maternity clothes yet, because I've still been able to wear some of my regular pieces. For example, these jeans are the last pair I can still fit into right now, so it is time to invest in some maternity pants. Which is why this haul includes a lot of leggings and trousers. Before trying everything on, I organized the clothes into categories, such as pants and leggings, tops and shirts, dresses, full outfits, and so on. This makes it easier for me to try on and compare. Now, let's try everything on and see how it fits. This sweater is comfortable, but I'm not sure if I actually need more sweaters. I already own a few oversized ones that I think will fit my growing belly just fine. This dark green jumper is great when you breastfeed in the colder seasons because of its multiple zippers. But it's quite expensive, so I think I will return it for now and only repurchase it later if I really need it. I also need a nice shirt for work that fits me while I'm pregnant. This shirt is very nice. I think I'll keep this. A white basic tee is always a good staple to have. It fits me now, and I think it will still fit me when I'm 40 weeks pregnant, so I'll definitely keep this. These jeans are also very nice. They fit good now, and there's some space to grow into. I also tried these jeans. They are more stretchy. I prefer the other pair over this one. The black denim jeans feels too tight for what I want. I'm looking for something more comfortable and stretchy. Like these black flare leggings. They have the perfect balance of style and comfort. The next pair of leggings is a bit wider, which I also like. And these ones are flared too. The last pair of black leggings feel more like tights, but I think I'll keep this pair and the first one. The brown leggings are also nice, but I'm not sure it's the style I want. The shorts fit me well, so I'll keep them too. These trousers are way too big. Even though it's medium, it's too large for me. Now I try the business pants I want to wear when I do weddings. These pants fit me great and look professional, so they are definitely staying. It's very comfortable. This set is also nice and comfy. I'm not sure what I will use it for, maybe just wearing at home, so I think I'll return it. Sorry for the bad lighting, this is pajamas. It's also really nice. I'm not sure it's the correct size, so I'll see if I need to return and change the size. This dress fits nice and you can grow into it, but I'm not sure it's my style. But this outfit is really nice. It's pants and a top, and there's a lot of room to grow into. This skirt is too tight, I think, and the top is too big. Even though I like it, I will return this. This skirt I also like, but it doesn't fit properly. Maybe there's room to grow a belly in, but I'm not sure how long time I can use it. Now it's time for me to pack up the clothes I need to exchange for a different size and return the ones that didn't work out for me. I like the brown leggings, but I think I'll return them because I have so many leggings. This sweater I try on again to see if I want it. I think I will rebuy it if I really need it. So now I need to choose between all the leggings and trousers and jeans. So I think I will keep 2 black leggings, 1 shorts, 1 of the business pants, and 1 pair of jeans. The first shipment will be packed in this bag. This is a little later in the afternoon. I tried on all the nursing bras off camera and I decided to return them until I know the exact size I need postpartum. Let me introduce Aiko. He is 4 years old and a Bengal cat. Here you see me unpack all the clothes I kept. All of the plastic I will recycle. And this is all the baby stuff I bought from H&M. It's just regular bodies and trousers. I have 2 sisters. Both of them have 2 kids each. They told me that bodysuits with side buttons makes it easier to change the baby's clothes, since it doesn't have to go over their head. Here's all I will return. I'll pack it away now. I cut off all the labels from the clothes I decide to keep. Then I wash them as I always do before wearing them, to remove any leftover chemicals from production. Here I sort the waste into plastic, cardboard and general waste, and afterwards I will recycle it. Overall, I'm happy with the fit of the maternity clothes and I liked many of the pieces I ordered. I definitely recommend buying comfortable and stretchy fabrics. Maternity clothes should make you feel good in your growing body. Please let me know in the comments if you have any favorite maternity brands. I'd love to hear your recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good day.